Yo, what's up, everybody? It's J2O, Forge Keeping Real King for another weekly Forex forecast for the month of September, for September 13th to September 18th. So we're going to do how we do. We're going to look at the Forex Factory, start off looking at the calendar. So for this upcoming week, as you see, Sunday, nothing too crazy going on. But then you get Monday, still nothing too crazy going on. Maybe some medium impact with AUD pair with Asian session. Then Tuesday, still nothing crazy going on in the market. There's a lot of news, but it's like low impact news. Wednesday, expect to see a lot of movement. As you can see, it's FOMC week, where they're going to be very volatile through New York session. So if you trade New York session, be careful because at 2 p.m. on Wednesday, there should be a lot of volatility in the market due to FOMC. Also, during Asian session, there's employment change, unemployment rate that's going to affect the AUD pairs. So be on the lookout for that. Also, 8:30 core retail sales. And Thursday, expect to see a lot of movement at 7 a.m. with the MPC official bank rate votes, monetary policy, and official bank rates for the GBP pairs. So GBP pairs expect to see some movement, like some volatility in the market. And then Friday, there's definitely too crazy going on, so I don't expect too much movements. There's gonna be movement with the USD pairs, but the main movement's gonna be like Wednesday and Thursday based off this upcoming calendar for the week. Now let's look at gold. So right now, as you can see, gold did reject off the trend line. This 4-hour chart. Let's go to the daily. You can see how gold is been moving these past few days. So it's been respecting this trend line. As you can see, respect this trend line here, respect it here. So I do see gold respect the trend line to come down to retest this area. Right now, there's like a strong demand zone area. So the market likes to reject when it hits this demand zone area. So I do see potential downtrend for gold if we're respecting this trend line. But if the gold decides to break the trend line, or tries to break and come back for retest, we expect to see highs to the 20,000 area. But as of now, I do see it potentially coming back down to test the 1925 area. Now for Qbp Usd. So this pair been dropping, as you can see, this whole week that passed, it been dropping. Go on a daily chart, a strong downtrend. In most cases, it will retrace back up for a little bit before it comes back down. So I'll be focusing mainly on downtrends for this week. GBJPY, same thing. It's been overall downtrend, as you see in the 4-hour chart, especially last week, overall downtrend. So this week, I do see a continuation of the downtrend. I don't see no reason for it to be going back for uptrend. This drop was overdue. I know over here, back last month, we were expecting a drop, but then it came back up. But since it broke this area, the drop is official. So I do see it continue to come down. It can retreat back up the most before it comes back down, retesting the areas of support and resistance. So the target could be down to here. This is like a strong area that the market could come down to. And then for the US 30, Dow Jones, so it's been going pretty much downtrend last week. So I do expect it to go up this week. I feel like in the higher time frames, it's playing around, but I feel like it's going to come back up. I know there's a lot of tech sell off last week. The tech affecting the Dow, so I do see it coming up this week. And then for AUD USD, It's been on a daily time frame. It's been pretty much a little choppy last week, up and down, up and down. But I do see it going back up. I do see a breakout happening. I do see it retesting the high over here. But if it breaks this area here, then we expect a downtrend and retest. But right now, I do see it coming back up and retesting the high for AUD pairs because overall uptrend. So that's the market outlook for this upcoming week. The news is going to dictate, especially Wednesday, Thursday. It's a lot of news. FOMC. It's going to cause big movements in the New York session. So a lot of moves probably going to happen during New York session with the volume in the market. So just be on the lookout for that. Trade what you see, know what you think. Just pay attention to different areas of support of resistance because it just takes the flow of the market. So right now for gold, if it breaks below this area, this support line, then we can look for sales for continuation. But as of right now, if it hits trend line, we can see sales to this line right here. But if it breaks it, then look for more of a sell-off. But if the market decides to break this trend line, they already know it's going to be back to the 2000s for uptrend for this week. So just got to be on the lookout and see the structure of the market to take the flow. So for GBP pairs, focus on downtrend moves for the sell, and it should be okay. So that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Everybody know we out here. Peace.